Oh my word. Oh my word. If you want stunning for a bike ride, then I think this might be the definition of it. Don't go over the edge, because that's quite high. Oh, incredible. Incredible. I want to look over the edge, but I need to look where I'm going. I can take in the sights when I get to the village. How impressive is this? Stunning views, the coast, switchbacks. What's not to like?
Cheers. Here's to Italy and to following your dreams and taking adventure wherever you can.
Well, that was spectacular. Really was. One last look. So there are 5 of these beautiful villages hunkering down amongst the cliffs along this stretch of coast. If ever you're in Italy on the northwest coast, visit Cinque Terra. My apologies if I'm saying that incorrectly. It's beautiful. It is worth your time and the effort walking up and down the steps. Right, it is time for the ceremonial removing of motorways from the preferences on the sat-nav. Right, settings, navigation, avoidances, avoid motorways, save. And now I am going to put Pisa into my destination. I have no idea how long it's going to take. Pisa. 42 miles, that's not that far. What is our route? Let's have a look. Along the coast, love it. Let's go. So it says I'm going to get there at 17 minutes past 5. That's just time to have a look around, check out the tower, and then move down further south and find somewhere hopefully to camp for the night. And if that all goes to plan, it has been a good day. What a stunning place. And I am so glad I'm not riding, oh look at that, oh my word. I am so glad I'm not riding a mountain bike at the moment. Oh, it's that difficult fine line between looking where you're going and looking at the view. And there's some more stunning coastline. Makes my stomach turn over a little bit as I'm looking over there whilst riding. So maybe don't look too much. Proper hairpin bends. All the ingredients for a perfect motorcycle trip. It would be really nice to take the train from village to village, or to walk from village to village over a course of a day for another trip. What a road. It's a very nice triple black. Obviously off of camera we've just exchanged pleasantries. "45 miles till I get to Pisa." Buongiorno. Nice bike. A very nice old XT600. I would enjoy that. I made a mistake choosing this route because most of it is kind of a 30km/h limit, and there are speed cameras frequently, plus it's extremely busy. It is beautiful following the coast, and I'm going to stick with it, but it's slow going. Now it says 5:27 for me to get to Pisa, which to be fair is only 7 or so minutes longer than the originally thought, but it's a very slow route. It may be that sticking to the coast, if the road stays like this the whole way, and I have no idea, it may be that it takes too long to get down to Sicily. I may have to go inland and take a more main road. We shall see. 13 kilometres, 9.8 miles till I get to Pisa. Finally broken free of all those back-to-back towns along the coast. I'm on an A road now, so I'm still enjoying not being on the motorway, but it definitely is slow. I will see how we go as we work our way down the coast, whether I mix it up with some main roads and coastal roads. I don't know, we'll see. So although I missed the sign, I wasn't filming, I have arrived at Pisa. Now obviously I want to see the tower. The sat-nav isn't necessarily taking me to that. I guess it's just taking me to the centre, which may be the same thing, I really don't know. Now I can see the tower over there, and it is most definitely leaning. Right, I've arrived. Bike's locked up. Let's cross before I get knocked over. Now the tower is going to be through there. Luckily there's no tacky souvenirs. There it is. Well, this is the first for me. I certainly don't feel the need to queue for hours to go up it, but it would be nice to see it. I'm sure I've got a mate who could sort that for them. A little bit of underpinning, job's a good one. Well, I can't think of a better place to try and find a campsite for the night, so I'll have a look into it. Well, I'm getting the same problem that I had before, in as much as a lot of the campsites I keep trying to go to aren't open yet. 24th of April it seems to be, some of them. But I found one about 45 minutes south of here on the coast, or nearly on the coast, which would work for me, which says it's open all year round. I don't seem to be able to book. They have 100 pitches. I've just got to keep my fingers crossed there is one. I'm going to head that way and see if I'm lucky, and if not, then, you know, Airbnb again, I guess, or I'll be looking for a quiet farmer's field to pitch my tent in. I'll work it out. But this is a beautiful place to be. What a beautiful evening to be here for. Perfect.
Across the street, okay?
Of course, this is the beauty of travelling by motorcycle, there's no way I would have parked so close for free. Whereas I just popped the bike in there, didn't have to pay, job's a good one. Right, let's try and find this campsite. Now, I am not even going to attempt to put this campsite into the nav 6. I'm relying on Google Maps to get me there. It says 41 minutes, that'll be almost 7:30. Let's see if I'm lucky. I might not be. But we will work it out. Well, that was fun, I enjoyed that. Something I've never seen before. Well, it's been a fantastic day so far. I hope I can get into this campsite, and then it will have gone as smoothly as possible, I think. Time will tell. So I've got a good combination here. I've got Google Maps telling me where to go, and I've got the nav 6 telling me how fast I can go and how fast I'm going. So between the two of them, we're on it. Oh, it is beautiful. It looks like I'm turning off here. Oh, it was all last minute. Okay, this is going to be a great place to camp if it's open. If it even exists. The website all looked a bit shaky, I think. I don't know, we'll find out. Cracking road. Let's see if there's any room at the inn, or if the inn is even open. It's down here. Oh, a little bit of unpaved road. Well, that's fun. I can see caravans. Please don't be fully booked. Put the tent there if I had to. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Inglese? Oh, thank you. Gracias. Do you have a pitch for tonight?
You want a place?
A place for tonight for 110 for me? How much?
15 euro.
10
10 and 5.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
I show you the place.
Thank you. Thank you. Shall I walk or shall I ride the bike round?
Now we walk.
Okay, thank you. Well, result 15 euros. No receipt, but it doesn't matter. And I have a toilet, a shower. There's a restaurant nearby if I need it. Although I might cook, I'll have a look on the website and see what's what. And I have somewhere to stay for the night. Time to set up camp and make home. There's my toilet block, and he said camp here anywhere I like. It's dry and it's flat, so that's all I need. Do you know what he's going to do? The ground is soft, so I can see the side stand sinking in, so I have one of these which I'm going to put under it. I'm also going to make sure the tent is far enough away from the bike. Should it fall over, it doesn't fall on me in the night. Always a good idea. Well, something I meant to do before I left and forgot to was renew my tent pegs. Take a look at that. That is what most of them are like, where they've been hammered into hard rocky ground over and over again. I did buy some new ones at the start of last season and most are okay, but some of them are just hopeless. I am losing light fast, so I'm going to get cooking now. I will try possibly once I've eaten to show you where I've been on the map today, but I don't know. Maybe it'll be too dark. If that's the case, then I'll show you in the morning. Anyway, I'm going to get some food on the go, courtesy of these guys and a vegetable hot pot, which is going to do. It will be absolutely fine. Right, I have definitely lost the light, as you can see. I'm sat here eating almost in the dark. I think my head torch is dying, which is a bit of an issue. So I'm going to say goodnight and end the video here. And then in the morning, I'll show you where I've been today on the map and where I might end up tomorrow as well. So I hope you liked today's episode. If you did, please give it a like and and subscribe to the channel. I've got a whole load of admin to do before I turn out the light, what little of it there is left. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.